Hi, my name is Cayla. I'm a breathwork coach and facilitator here in Nashville. Today I'm going to walk you through a breathwork technique called Kapalabhati. It is a pranayama technique. It's a yogic-based breathwork, and this one is super wonderful for if you're wanting to boost your energy and bring more energy into your day. So it's a great one to start your day with. It's great for circulation, moving things through the body, improving your digestion even. If you are pregnant or if you struggle with really high levels of anxiety, maybe avoid this one because it is pretty activating. Otherwise, this is a great one to do, great one to start your day with. I'm going to explain the technique and go through it, and then I'll demonstrate it and you guys can follow along with me. So for this one, we're gonna take a deep breath in through our nose. We're going to release the air completely, and then we're gonna take half of a breath in. So filling about halfway up, and then we are going to pump the air out of our nose. So the breath itself is going to focus primarily on the exhale. So as we are exhaling and we're forcing that air out of our nose, the inhale is going to happen on its own. It's not something we necessarily have to pay much attention to or force. So we're just focusing on the exhale, and as we're doing so and we're pumping that air out of our nose, we're going to bring our abdomen and our belly in. So with each exhale out, the belly pulls in. Exhale out, the belly pulls in, and then the inhale and the belly comes out. That will kind of happen naturally. So the goal with this is going to be we'll start with 20 or 30 pumps of air, and then we'll take another deep breath in, release and let go, and exhale, and then we can start another round. So if you're ready to do it with me, we will start this technique. So again, deep breath in, let it go. We're gonna take half of an inhale in, and we're going to pump. Deep breath in, let it go. You can come back to a normal breath between rounds. When you're ready, you can start your next round. We'll again take a full deep breath in, let it go, filling it halfway up in through the nose, and begin. And you can even snap your finger with your breath as you're pulling in and kind of keep on this beat. Again, if this feels too fast, you can slower your pace, but we're gonna kind of breathe and pump out at that pace. Awesome. And once you hit your 30, again, you'll breathe in, let it go. And that is the Kapalabhati breath. I recommend, again, doing that one in the mornings to boost energy, improve your digestion, get your circulation, your blood flow moving. It's gonna feel great. It's gonna wake you up. If you end up feeling dizzy or lightheaded with this one, recommend just scaling back to maybe 15 breaths or 15 exhales as you're pumping that air out of your nose, and work up to the 30. And again, it's gonna be super invigorating and bringing awakeness into your day.